Hey everyone, it's JTECH and today we're taking a quick look at the Kysona Uranus Pro, an 8K wireless gaming mouse that's surprisingly affordable. Let's jump right in. So right out of the box, you might notice something familiar about the shape. That's because this mouse is clearly inspired by the Roccat Kone series. In fact, if you compare it on IlluShape website, it's almost 1:1 clone. Now let's talk about how it feels in the hand. My hand size is around 19 by 10 centimeters and it fits me really well. It's got that long but short feel, which might sound weird, but once you grip it, you get what I mean. What? This mouse definitely favors claw and fingertip grip styles thanks to its lightweight build and compact shape. So I've been using the Uranus Pro for about a month now and I had a great experience, especially with the 8K polling rate. It's incredibly fast, smooth, and super responsive. Inside, it's powered by the latest Pixar 3950 sensor. And I haven't run into any tracking issues, spinouts, or disconnects. Battery life, very impressive. I ran it exclusively at 8K polling rate and only had to recharge it after 2 full weeks, averaging 2 to 3 hours a day of playing time. A full charge only takes around 2 to 2.5 hours. So let's now do a quick sound test and build quality test. Clicks feel solid, though the side buttons could use improvement. More on that later. In general, the mouse feels sturdy despite its 54 grams weight. First, the shape is very subjective. It's on the bulkier side and the curved design won't suit everyone. The skates is very large. It can sometimes hinder fast flicks or quick lights. The 8K receiver has no LED indicator, so you won't know if it's connected or when the battery is low. Web-based software still needs polish, not the most user-friendly to be honest. So it's better to download and install the software instead. And for the pros, number one is the looks. Yes, it's chunky and bold, but only weighs 54 grams. The squarish design gives it a rugged, tank-like vibe that I personally like. It has a great grips. Thanks to the concave sides, it feels secure even without using grip tapes. The primary clicks are really satisfying thanks to the new Huano green shell white dot switches. It can last up to 100 million actuations. The battery life is up to 120 hours using the 2.4G at 1 kHz polling rate. And lastly, it has a tri-mode connectivity, the USB dongle, Bluetooth, and wired, making it versatile even for non-gaming use. Even though it's a cone-inspired shape, I'm glad Kysona carried it forward, especially since Roccat has shut down recently and from what I have heard, may have been acquired by Turtle Beach. For just $50 for the Pro version and $30 for the Standard Edition or SE, the Kysona Uranus Pro is absolutely worth checking out if you're looking for an affordable, high-performance, 8K wireless gaming mouse. If you're interested, you'll find the links down below or in the pinned comment. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. This is JTECH signing off. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.